Hey guys, so today we are modding my keyboard, the Redragon K617 Fizz. It does not sound good. So we'll try to fix it, hopefully. Okay, so I have not watched any videos whatsoever on how to dismantle this keyboard, but I think we can figure it out. Okay, the switch does not want to come out on this keyboard. It's like the worst I have seen on any keyboard, but we did it. Okay, so obviously this keyboard is tray mounted, so let's remove the screws and the stabilizers. Like, these are also plate mounted, so pretty easy to take them off. And then finally for the plate, which took me a good 15 minutes to figure out what I should do, and finally my trusty old ID card came to the rescue, and we did it, boys. Okay, so there's nothing special here really. We have the plate and the case, like that's all. So we are going to put some EVA foam inside, and we are going to cut them to size to fit. And finally we have to make some holes for the standoffs, otherwise we can't put the PCB in, right? So just use a marker and a scissor to cut them up in place. It does not have to be super accurate. You can always stretch and align later on, so it's fine. Now put back the PCB in the case and just make sure that the USB input is still able to come out of the slot, otherwise it can be a problem. And finally we'll try to do a tape mod. I'll just do one layer because the case is quite small and I don't want to be too ambitious, so. Okay, now let's try to put back the PCB in. I was a bit worried that it might not fit again, but it did, so. For these stabilizers, I am going to try to loop them with Permatex dielectric grease, and I am going to apply a fair amount, and that's all I'm trying to do here. I'm just hoping for the best. I am replacing the switches with the lavender purple switches from Akko, and that's it guys, we're done.